Hello everyone, my name is Shane, and in this video, we're going to be checking out the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 edition. This watch is available for pre-order at the time of this video. I'll have some links to it in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. The retail price is $650, and my link below will give $50 off on it for the next few days. Even though this isn't drastically different from last year's Galaxy Watch Ultra, I still wanted to check it out in a video here, because I think it's worth considering some of the benefits on this over the just released Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Like this Watch Ultra having a larger display, a larger battery made out of titanium instead of the stainless steel. There are definitely some benefits still exclusive to this Ultra watch. We also have LTE on this one. There are no Wi-Fi only models of this one. But let's go ahead and check out the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. Inside the box, have our watch on top, the strap on the bottom, some nice looking boxes overall with this. Here's our first look at the new blue marine strap. Looks to be very similar to the marine straps we've had before on last year's Watch Ultra. And it is worth mentioning we have the same exact clip system here as last year, so that comes off really easily. And then this just clips right back into place. So these work with last year's and last year's will work with this year's. It all can be kind of confusing, but it's not the same strap system as on the Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic. So just keep in mind that this Ultra is a separate product. And then in our upper box, have a pamphlet, which in here we have some paperwork. We have our charging puck with a USB Type-C end, and then the watch itself. So let's get all these boxes out of the way. Check out the star of the show here, this new titanium blue color of the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. So this one actually has the orange around the edges, similar to the titanium gray color from last year. It had the gray and orange and then the orange band to go with it. We of course still have the orange action button over here, so some aspects are still matching with the orange there. But when looking at the titanium silver color, you can see we don't have that orange anymore. Still have the orange action button, but the white around the watch face. So very nice strap system here compared to past generations of Samsung watches. Let's go ahead and try this on. First impressions on the wrist here with the marine band. Definitely a thicker option here compared to the standard sport band on the Galaxy Watch 8 for a point in comparison. This almost feels like a double layer of silicone of what the sport band is offering. And I'm not sure why, but on Samsung's website right now, the marine band is the only one that shows up to get with the 2025 Galaxy Watch Ultra. That may change in due time, since there are multiple band options to get for this Watch Ultra. But first impressions of this on the wrist, despite how large this watch is, it actually has a pretty decent feel on the wrist to it. It doesn't really bump up against your wrist or anything when doing exercises, I've found, from last year's Watch Ultra. So if we do a weight check here on the Watch Ultra, 92 grams. If I compare that to the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic that just came out, 86 grams. So yes, it is heavier than the Watch 8 Classic, but you have to factor in having a larger display, a larger battery. So spec-wise on this Watch Ultra, going to be similar to the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and the Watch 8 that I just made a video on. They all have the same processor. They all have 3000 nits of brightness. They all have the same RAM. And this 2025 Watch Ultra now has 64 gigabytes of storage compared to last year's just having 32 gigabytes. And this is now consistent with the Watch 8 Classic. This one also has 64 gigabytes of storage. But here's our first look at the 1.5 inch display. I can immediately notice a larger display on this one compared to the Watch 8 Classic. I actually learned since making my video the other day on these is that this smallest Watch 8 and this Watch 8 Classic have the same exact screen size. Even though this is a 40 millimeter watch and this is a 46 millimeter watch, same exact screen size on these. So we're getting what is a noticeably larger screen here on the Watch Ultra at a 1.5 inch display versus the 1.3 inch display on these two. And taking a look at the Watch Ultra in the blue color next to the Fold 7 and Flip 7, Samsung's definitely playing into this blue color theme for this launch. And even though these Fold and Flip are very expensive devices, usually Samsung offers a pretty sizable discount on the Watch Ultra if you would bundle it alongside a pre-order, for example. So even though there isn't a ton of new things to cover here on this Watch Ultra 2025, it is definitely still an option worth considering. Now, once you do get your phone out, you're going to get a notification, Galaxy Watch Ultra, so let's go ahead and connect. All right, so I have the Watch Ultra fully set up here, again, side by side with the Watch 8 Classic. You can see how much larger this Watch Ultra display is. So this is definitely going to be your biggest difference between these two watches if you're caught up between the two. Really, the only thing you aren't getting on this Watch Ultra that the Classic has is the physically rotating bezel on the edge, of course, which this just has the digital rotating bezel. So if you do this around the edges, you get some haptic feedback every single time. So it does have a very similar feel to it, even though it doesn't have the physical aspect to it. But overall, first impressions of this new 2025 Watch Ultra, liking the blue color here. You don't have to get this blue color if you don't want to. The 2025 edition is available in all the previously available colors, like this titanium silver and the titanium gray. And there's also a titanium white color. This is definitely not for anybody who already has the Galaxy Watch Ultra, but if you have been interested in this, if you want the largest possible display and largest battery and the titanium build on this one, and something that has a much more robust strap on it, then it's definitely worth considering the Galaxy Watch Ultra. But if you want to see any more of the features of this Watch Ultra, then I'll also have my Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic video link that I just made the other day that'll go through some more of the OS and features. And I'll have links in the description to get $50 off on this Watch Ultra if you're interested. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.